Hi, I'm Larry, and today we will learn two methods in the designer for moving pages in your yearbook. First, the simple way to move pages. Go to the Manage tab and select Manage Ladder. Once you get to the ladder, you will see a Move Pages button at the top. Select Move Pages, which will take you to the Move Pages option menu. This can be done while other users are working on the yearbook. From here, you can move spreads anywhere in your yearbook. Once you move the pages, click the Confirm Moves button at the top right. It will ask you to commit the page moves. For advanced page moves, you can scroll to the bottom of the Move Pages menu and select the red Advanced Page Moves button. Unlike in Simple Page Moves, which moves full spreads, advanced page moves are for moving single pages in your book. When you use this feature, no other users can be inside the page designer. And this feature moves individual pages from left to right. Once you move the desired pages, you can select the blue Commit Moves button at the top right. We advise you to use the Advanced Page Move feature with caution. Using this tool incorrectly can result in deleting completed pages. In the event you need to use this feature, please contact our support line or your account manager. Use the Help tab on the top menu and select Contact Support to find our helpline and your account manager's information. Thank you for watching this help video and happy yearbooking.